Aloha, and welcome to the video tutorial for the Hawaii and Pacific Islands King Tides project. For those of you who are joining us for the first time, you can visit our website at pacificislandskingtides.org to learn more about the King Tides project. So let's get started. I'm going to walk through everything you need to know to participate in the King Tides project as a community scientist. I will go through the steps of how to create a King Tides icon shortcut for your mobile home screen, how to upload a King Tide photo and data from your mobile phone, how to explore our database of photos from community scientists, and how to capture the perfect King Tide photo. The first step is to create an icon or shortcut on your phone so that you can easily access the King Tides web platform without having to go through your browser. With this shortcut, you can easily access the web platform and take a photo or upload a photo from your phone's image gallery. This shortcut will essentially act as an app on your phone's home screen. I will show you how to do this for both Apple and Android phones. To create a shortcut for an Apple device, you will go to pakios.org/kt webpage. Once you are there, you will go to the bottom of the screen and click the square icon that has an arrow pointing up. When you have done this, a sidebar will appear with several options. You will have to scroll to the left to find the option that says Add to Home Screen. When you click that, a small bar will pop up with the King Tides project icon. Now click the Add button in the upper right corner. Now you can exit out of your browser to your home screen, and the King Tides project app-like icon should have appeared on your home screen. Creating a shortcut on an Android device is also very similar. First, go to the pakios.org/kt webpage. Then you will go to the right-hand corner of the screen and click the icon with 3 vertical dots in a row. When you have done this, a sidebar will appear with several options. You want to click the option that says Add to Home Screen. When you click that, a small bar will pop up with an option to name your shortcut. You can change the name if you like, but I will keep mine titled as King Tides. Now click the Add button. A note should appear at the bottom of your screen in small print that says King Tides was added to your home page. Now exit out of your browser to your home screen. An icon that looks like an app icon that says King Tides project should appear on your home screen. Once you have found the icon, you can click it and the pakios.org/kt homepage will appear, allowing you to add a photo. Now you can easily and efficiently access the pakios.org/kt homepage without having to type in the link in your browser. Now that you know how to create a King Tide icon shortcut from your home screen, let's talk about how to upload a King Tide photo and data from your mobile phone. You will first open your King Tide shortcut. Once you are there, you will click the icon that says Add Photo. Once you have clicked this, an icon will give you an option to access your phone's camera directly or to open up your phone's image gallery. The next thing you will do is take a picture or select the image you will like to upload from the image gallery to our database. After selecting the photo you like, you can press Use Photo. Once you have clicked Use Photo, a new details page will appear. I'm working from a desktop, so my screen will look a little different, but the concept will be the same on a mobile phone. Next, double-check the date and time underneath the photo. These fields should populate automatically, but can be edited by clicking the icon to the right of each field. You will have to select the island that you took the photo on. You can do this by clicking on the drop-down menu. After inputting the island, you will now enter the exact location or the latitude and longitude where the photo was taken. There are 2 ways to do this. The first way is to click the Locate Me button, which uses the information from your phone's GPS. If the location is correct, you're finished with this step. If the location is incorrect, you can apply the second way of adding the location by clicking the Search Map button. To do this, enter the location of the photo in the search bar and click OK. The map, latitude, longitude should update the location that you have chosen. Next, add a location description, for example, Waikiki or Waimea Bay. This information helps us to verify that we have the correct latitude and longitude for your photo. After that, tell us something about your photo by describing your photo, what you see along the shoreline, and how this differs from what you have seen in the past helps us understand what climate change and sea level rise looks like locally. There is also a field to include the impact. This field is optional but helps sort out data. To add an impact, select one from the drop-down menu. You need to enter your email. We keep this information private, but use your email to track how many new and continuing community scientists we have every year. Entering your name is optional, but if you would like us to list your name with your photograph, you can enter your name here. The final step is to submit your photo by clicking Submit. Great, now that we have submitted our king tide photo and data, let's learn how to explore our map and database of photos from community scientists. The first step is to go to pakios.org/KTM. After searching the link, a map of the Hawaiian Islands should appear with different color circles. You can zoom into whatever island that you like and by exploring the zoom bar. I will zoom into Big Island. When you click on the Kona Coast, you will see that there are 102 photos available to view. To see those photos, I will click on the circle and the map will zoom in closer. Now I can view any photo from the Kiholo fish pond area that were uploaded by community scientists. When you click on the photo, the image will appear with date, latitude, and longitude information. If you would like to view more information, you can click the More Information link on the bottom. To see other photos nearby, you can click the green icon and it will show those photos information as well. If you want to see photos from another area or another island, simply zoom out and then click on the icons that are in another place. Okay, let's go over some tips and tricks to take a great king tide photo. To take a great king tide photo, first find and stand at the highest wet water line in the sand, lawn, or road. Line up parallel to the shoreline. Then take a step upland from the water line. Try to capture the highest wash of the wave so that your image reflects the full impact of the king tide. This might take a little patience. If possible, try to include some sort of landmark or permanent feature or structure in your picture like a wall, lifeguard station, or dock. This can help viewers orient where the water level is in the photo and compare photos across multiple high water events across the year. Please remember that the shoreline is a dynamic environment. Always be aware and practice safety when taking photos. Pay attention to your surroundings, like the wind, waves, edges, or steps, and never turn your back on the ocean. Plan out your exit strategy first and make sure your route to the shoreline is safe. Avoid locations that require climbing on rocks, walls, or other structures. Ensure your access to the shoreline through public access points. We look forward to your participation as a community scientist in the Hawaii and Pacific Islands King Tides Project. Please feel free to visit our webpage at www.pacificislandskingtides.org. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email kingtide@hawaii.edu. Mahalo.